Hey there, in this video I decided I'm going to share with you how you can possibly fix the issue when your K1 or K1 Max is not extruding and what you can actually do about it. So I read this comment on Reddit and maybe it's going to fix it. I found the issue was on the top of the extruder there is a silver light switch like switch. It's going to look like this. Do you see that? Like a switch. When you are feeding filament into the PTFE tubing, you need to make sure that this is in unlock position. There are pictures on it. Do you see that? Unlock position. Then feed the filament all the way in and if needed remove the PT tubing from the extruder and push it down until it doesn't move anymore. Then move the switch to the locked position and reconnect the tubing if needed. My printer still had some white filament in the extruder from the factory. I heated the extruder and saw the filament start coming out. It would be nice if this was in manual, but I guess that's why they want you to view a video. That's why they want you to view the video on their website. So this is something that I read on Reddit. Just look how if you don't know what the PTF tubing looks like, just Google it. I just wanted to share this with you that what you can try to do and how it's going to like fix the issue for you. So hope it does. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. If you say that this video was useless, I'm sorry. Have a great day and goodbye.